Seeing adultery and dream committing the abominable and forbidden act of adultery in a dream means betrayal. If one sees himself doing so in a dream, it means that he will betray his wife. An unknown woman is better here than a known woman. Adultery in a dream also means theft. If one sees an adulteress soliciting him for fornication in a dream, it means that he might be lured to earn unlawful money. If one commits adultery with a young and a beautiful woman in a dream, it means that he will place his earnings in a well-guarded place or a coffer. If a strong person commits adultery in his dream, and if he had to face the divine ordinance and chastisement for his sin in the dream, it means that his authority will expand. If the person in the dream qualifies for leadership, then he will be endowed with one. If one sees himself committing adultery with the wife of a close friend in a dream, it means that he will take some money from him. If one reads the ruling of the divine ordinance concerning the punishment of adulterers in a dream, it means that he is an adulterer. If one deals with an adulteress or with a woman who has committed adultery in a dream, then such a woman represents the world and its seekers. If a student on the path of God Almighty, who is known to have piety, good conduct and who has the look of a believer, sees himself dealing with an adulteress or a woman who has committed adultery in a dream, it means that he will join the company of a gnostic and learn wisdom at his hand. If one sees a man and a woman sitting alone in an intimate setting in his dream, and if he recognizes them, it means that he desires some worldly interests from such a man. If a man sees himself raping a young woman in a dream, it means that he hides his savings in an unknown place. If he is caught after that, and if the divine ordinance is exacted in the dream, his dream means that he will follow the path of knowledge and understanding of religious jurisprudence. If one commits adultery with an adulteress in a dream, it means that he will face severe trials. If one enters a brothel in his dream and finds it impossible to leave that place, it means that he may die shortly. If one sees himself sleeping with someone else's wife while the husband is not minding in a dream, it means that the husband will entrust him with his home to manage. If one marries an adulteress in a dream, it means that he is an adulterer.